Hi, my name is and I'm the sales director here at Kansan. We are the leading wet wipe manufacturing lines producer, including converting machines, packaging machines, lid applicators, case packing machines, and pelletizers. I want to explain a little about nonwovens from the perspective of wet wipes in these challenging times. COVID boosted the demand towards hygiene and disinfectant wipes a lot. We had to take drastic measures in our business and production model to cope up with the extra load. Since then, we've been doing our best to help fight by providing our state-of-the-art machines wherever it's needed. This last year has been very tough on all of us. We've been tested, we've changed, and we had to reinvent our ways of living and working, but we adapted. Reality is, we were always surrounded by the nonwovens. We just didn't have to pay that much attention. They were readily available at our disposal for filtration, automotive, insulation, geotextile applications. Especially in the hygiene and personal care, they were rather considered to be comfort items. But think about the gowns, face masks, or disinfectant wipes now. They became the essential part of our daily routine and the means of protection from the virus. Knowing them on our side, now maybe we can feel a little bit more comfortable and acuter. What do you think? I hope this short video encourages you to learn more about our industry. Please contact us and let's find out together what more we can do to have a more comfortable and safer living with the help of nonwovens.